Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money online only by searching on Google, and you can do it from your phone, from your computer or tablet. You only need to have internet access to start earning money. As we know, Google is part of our life to get information, and all of us we use it, so why not to use it to earn money from everywhere? You may asking why I'm helping you with this. I only want to help you to earn money and help you to enjoy your life like I do by earning money online. I will show you how much money I made in a year from working online. I have earned about 70K, just by using these strategies that I show you in every single video that I publish here in my channel. First of all, make you sure to subscribe and give a like and leave a comment below if you have any questions or to say thank you. Because if you use me strategy, you will thank me. And also your bank account will thank you. So let's start. You may don't know, but there is a website that pays you only to search in Google. Yes, as you heard it, only to search on Google. You may asking yourself for years, how you'll make money online. But you didn't know that's so simple in nowadays to earn money just by searching on Google. There are a lot of people desperately are trying to earn money online, but they can't do it because they don't know the way how they can do it. But stop, now is time to learn it. Do make sure to watch all the video step by step so you don't lose anything on it, because if you skip the video parts you can't understand how to make money online, because every part of this video has something different to explain the way how I make money online. Are you ready? Okay, first of all, make sure that you have open Google. The website that we are using combined with Google to make money online is minsumo.com. By keep watching, because if you go to Minsumo without watching the video until the end you won't know what to do, so keep watching the video. I will show you Google tricks that will help you to earn money online. As you see, minsumo.com has been working with different big companies like Microsoft, Dell, Yahoo, Mercedes-Benz and many more. So by working with big companies means that Minsumo will pay you a lot of money only with a single search. So in one single search you may be able to earn $1,600, $1,600, $11,000, $800. There are a lot of money waiting for. See, what are you waiting for? Now you just need to sign up for free on Minsumo. You only need to click here on login, sign up. Since you don't have an account yet, you click here I don't have an account. You only need to enter your first name, your last name, location, your email address, a password. Use a password that you will remember. Select your birthday. Select your gender. You also can select creativity skills. I recommend to select average proficiency or above average proficiency. I suggest you to use in all of these average proficiency. Also, you should select those two boxes. I have read terms and conditions, and also I have read and accept privacy policy. You can read by clicking on the links their terms and conditions, also privacy policy. Then you select I'm not a boot, solve TGE CAPTCHA, and then just click sign up and why you have an account. Once you log in on your account and scroll a little bit, you will be able to see all these challenges, questions and projects that you will need to get answers to and complete to get paid for that. Here under filter challenges by skill, you will be able to see different categories that you can choose. In this website will be new questions and new projects for you and new challenges coming out every day single day. So allow me to show you some past projects that are completed and let's see how much they have earned. As you can see, there are a lot of different payments there and they made a lot of money. There is one who has earned $20,000. Oh my god, that's amazing. If I click in a challenge over here and you scroll down, you will be able to see how much money people have earned with this challenge only. So only you need to copy that question over here. So you can go through those articles and find out what's the right answer to those questions, and once you find the right answer to that question. So I find this question to Quora.com. It looks like perfect answer and professional answer. Now go to Google and search for Google Docs. Click on this blank here. Once is opened, got to the answer, copy all text. After copying the text, go to Google Docs and paste it there. Also you can edit this, you can change anything on it. For example, if there is a phone number, name, or something else, you can change them. So it's pretty easy to earn money online by searching on Google and find the right answers and edit them and answer to related question or challenge to get paid for it. So guys, that's my video today. I hope you enjoy it and also hope you will leave a subscribe to my channel.